So the Galaxy Note is one of Samsung's most powerful devices that gives you everything in the kitchen sink. Well, in 2021, Samsung didn't release a Galaxy Note. And in 2022, Samsung is merging the Galaxy S lineup and the Galaxy Note together for one powerful device. So let's talk about it. What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I made a video of 5 reasons why you might want to pass on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Well, if you have a Galaxy Note, this video is 5 reasons why you might want to upgrade to the new Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let me give you my thoughts. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So if you got a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or wanting a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, hold on a second. Hold those thoughts. You might want to pass on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and get a Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let me give you 5 reasons why the Galaxy S22 Ultra may be a great update. Let's go. First, updates. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will receive an extra 2 years of updates compared to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Remember, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra came out in 2020, and Samsung promised 3 major software updates and a total of 5 years of security patches and bug fixes. So the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra came out with Android 10, and as of me recording this video, we on Android 12 with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So if you're looking for more OS updates and more security patches and bug fixes, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the device for you. Now you have to remember, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will come out with Android 12, which is a complete reset. So if you think about it like that, you're going to get 3 major updates and 5 years of security patches and bug fixes. That might be a major reason why you might want to upgrade to the Galaxy S22 Ultra because of longer support. Next, specs. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor with 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of UFS 3.0 storage, SD card support. Well, the Galaxy S22 Ultra base model will have the newer 8 Gen 1 processor that's more powerful with 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage, no SD card support, unfortunately. We're gonna have the S Pen with less latency and the GPU that's more powerful. Now, look, even though I put this on my list, I have a mixed bag. I have mixed feelings about this. Even though the processor, the GPU, everything about it, the RAM is an upgrade with more power, I have a big problem with no SD card support and also with 8 gigs of RAM of base storage. I have issues with that. I have a huge issue with that. But if you want to get the latest and greatest processor, GPU, and RAM, this may be an option to upgrade. So if you want those latest and greatest items, upgraded to the Galaxy S22 Ultra may fit your needs. Next, the cameras. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra cameras was fantastic. One of my favorite cameras, right? Well, the Galaxy S22 Ultra cameras will be better with its quad camera setup with a newer generation 108 megapixel camera that will be stunning, right? Plus, we're getting better low light and a 10 times optical zoom on the S22 Ultra instead of the 5 times optical zoom that we have on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So overall, the camera arrays and the camera system on the S22 Ultra will be much better in a whole lot of ways. So that you might want to consider upgrading to the Galaxy S22 Ultra because of the cameras. Next, the price. And this is a strange one. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a good selling price right now, very solid. So if you want to sell your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you're going to get a very good price for it because the market is high for it. But if you want to buy a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra right now, brand new, it's over $1,300. That is crazy for a device that came out in 2020, right? The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a very expensive device. And you think about this, the newer Galaxy S22 Ultra is rumored to be a price at $1299. So if you want to buy a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, hold on a minute. It's over $1,300 as of me recording this video. You might want to check out the deals that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will bring to the table before you buy a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra at a over $1,300 price point. And the fifth reason you might want to get the Galaxy S22 Ultra is battery life. Listen, if you've been rocking your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra since 2020, and you've been rocking it as your daily driver, you might be having some fast battery drain. Also, the battery cycles is running its course. Now, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a 4,500 milliamp battery. It was great in 2020. The new Galaxy S22 Ultra has a 5,000 milliamp battery. So if you run into some battery issues with your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you might want to consider upgrading to the Galaxy S22 Ultra because of battery life. So even though I gave you 5 reasons that you might want to consider upgrading to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, let me put in one bonus reason, and that's the display. As you know, every year Samsung put the best displays on their newer devices. And look, the Samsung displays is the best I ever saw. But since we didn't get a Galaxy Note in 2021, Samsung had a long time to make a great display. And we know that Samsung will probably put one of their best displays on the new Galaxy S22 devices. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra, I'm sure, will have a stunning display, true and true. Another thing, as you know, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was able to do 120 Hz at 1080p. Well, we saw with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you was able to do 120 Hz at 1440p resolution. And I'm sure that that will carry over to the newer Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we know that you're going to get 1440p at 120 Hz. We know that you're going to get a fantastic display. You know you're going to get all the bells and whistles when it comes down to the uniqueness of the display on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So there you have it. 5 reasons and one bonus reason to upgrade to the new Galaxy S22 Ultra. Look, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be a fantastic device overall, and I'm excited for it. Come on, Samsung, bring it, bring it. Look, let me give you a disclaimer here, right? This video is my thoughts about the device that's coming out. We've seen all the leaks and all the specs. We know everything about the device before it comes out. So I'm giving you my opinion about what I know about the device doing my research as of right now. Look, I know I didn't talk about the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus. If you're coming from a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you only focus on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, baby. You're not focused on the lower tier devices. You only focus on the big boy. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the new Galaxy S22 Ultra in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.